Welcome back to my channel, Glitter Babes. Today I'll be creating a royal headboard. First, I'll be starting off by taping two foam boards together. And this will be the tufted part in the middle of my panels. And I'll be placing this on top of a 6 by 2 feet piece of plywood. I measured how it fit on top and then decided to cut off 2 inches. And when I measured to make sure it was evenly centered inside of the board, I got a black marker and traced around. Next, I am going around the perimeter with my hot glue gun and the leftover foam board strips from my last project. And I'm not gluing the strips directly on the black line, I'm gluing them just a little bit behind it. And the reason why I do glue on these strips is to control the foam when I start spraying it, because if it is not controlled, it'll be everywhere. So this was the easiest way for me to add in the tufted cushion later. So now I'll be gluing on the strips to the outer edges. And y'all, so the next step is me spraying the Good Stuff foam. And let me tell you, I've been so addicted to that stuff lately. Like, it gives everything a unique texture and I'm here for it. And now for the fun part, I'm going to be taking my Good Stuff foam and filling in the top and the bottom of the panel. I'm just doing circular motions and whatever, just because this is the first layer and I'm gonna go back on top. And I kind of wanted the second layer to stick out more. And you can use a trash bag or a tablecloth to put on the floor to protect your floor. But if foam does get on the floor, it's super easy to get off. I promise you, it's easy. Now this is a 5-foot piece of plywood, and I'm doing the same thing that I did to the 6-foot piece. And that piece of foam board is in the middle just to make sure I knew what I was doing, and I did, so I took it out. And here's the can of the Good Stuff foam. I wasn't able to show that earlier. And one of my subscribers asked if they can use the off-brand can, and I'm like, first of all, yes, but second of all, where is that located? Because I would like to use the off-brand too. I am trying to save money too. This channel is all about saving money. So if you know where I can find something for cheaper and help out the rest of us, please let me know. And as you can see, I am just spraying this can until it empties out because I paid for it. And after this step, I did the third board and I let all 3 boards dry. And this is how it looked when it was dry. It does puff up more. And here's a piece of foam that I measured to go on top of the foam board that I already cut. And I marked the areas that I wanted to be tufted. And as you can see, I made holes where the marks were. I got this fabric from Walmart and I'll be using this to go over and tuft. Sometimes I do use batting, but sometimes I don't, depending on the project. I do like saving a lot of money on this channel and in my real life. So it was gonna have the same result either way. So I just doubled the fabric. And as you can see, I'm just using my stapler to go around the perimeter and fold everything over. If you don't have a stapler, you can always use a hot glue gun. It just takes a little longer. Now that that is finished, I'm gonna slide in the panel and I'm gonna start tufting. So now I'm just finding the holes and going in with my stapler. And anytime that I tuft something, I like to make the tufts more defined. So I go in with some type of trim and I'm just creating a pattern using the strings. And I decided to use a stapler for the sides. It just made everything easier and it also helped push the sides down. Next, I'm going to be using these gems that I got from Walmart. I just spray painted them white for another project, so I'll be using those same gems for this one. And the last thing I did was hang them up with these hook saws that I got from Amazon, and I'll leave the link in the description box below. And this is the final outcome of the headboard. I hung all 3 panels up separately, and of course I put the longest one in the middle. I hope you all enjoyed this project. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you later, Glitter Babes.